Today, our challenge. I am wearing a baseball helmet so I don't get hit in the head. So we are doing Mountain Dew and Elmer's glue. First, we're doing Mountain Dew. Whoa! Damn, look at that. Woo! Elmer's glue. We'll try Elmer's glue one more time. And let's just try it one more time. I want this thing to break. Okay. He sucks. I don't know. Okay. We are gonna try this until he hits it one more time. Okay, this is starting to suck. Sorry about that. We're going to do this until he hits it good. Oh my God. What's wrong with you? Sucks so far. I mean, I like the Mountain Dew. I said I like the Mountain Dew. You know what? One more try. Oh, that just hit me. Oh, that hurt. Dude, I have a camera in my hand. Okay. Does this have any major damage? Nope. Nope. Well, that's it. Who do you think won? I'll say right here, Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew won.
It's your choice anyway.
Yeah.
Thank you.